How to leave a review for a purchase on the Etsy app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to leave a review for a purchase on the Etsy app. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to go and log in into your account. So when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page itself, you have to go to your profile one more time and press on the option that says purchases and reviews. When you press on it, it's going to take you to the other field where you can see your purchases and all that. So basically, when you've ordered a product and you've already received it, then you'll be able to find the link as review. So you have to go ahead and find the item that you want to review. You can choose the star rating next to the review, this item. And you can also go ahead and describe the item and the service you received. Then you can choose whether to add photos or videos on the Etsy app. And likewise, you could go ahead and select and submit a review. And that's basically how you can leave a review for a purchase on the Etsy app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.